Hey everybody, welcome. Tech4All channel here, and this is the subject of testing this time. It's going to be a range test of the YH-19. That's a small little drone, which is supposed to be a clone of either the Spark or the Mavic, or a combination of the Spark and the Mavic, or somehow similar to the Mavic Air. At least when I got it, it was looking to me much more like the Mavic Air, but now I think it's closer to the Spark in terms of the way it looks like, but it's foldable, just like the Mavic. Now, this drone is going to be tested for its range, and of course, as usual, we can say there are two pillars of this range test. The first part would be the control range, which I am going to test right now, and then we might have to say a few words about the FPV range, which I'm not going to be able to test because I forgot my second smartphone, and I'm going to record. Actually, no, I'm not going to record. I'm going to need a smartphone for controlling the Mavic Air, which is going to follow this drone while it is flying away, if that makes sense. If not, we'll start and you see. Well, that's been it. Control range is about 120 meters, as you can see. Not bad at all. Just keep in mind, after the 60th meter it's very difficult to see the drone, and maybe after the 80th, control drops from time to time. Interference-free area is what I used here, so if you're in urban areas or in a place with a lot of Wi-Fi's, maybe that could be considerably shorter. Thank you very much for watching. That's been another range test. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and what else? Have fun, fly responsibly. See you soon.